In this presentation, I'm going to tell you about the 5 traits of an entrepreneurial mindset that are shared by successful entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurs are not born, but they are built. They first learn how to dream. Then they dream about things that are important to them. Then they work hard to turn their dreams into a viable business plan. It takes a lot of hard work and understanding and engaging in the entrepreneurial mindset. While there is no single characteristic to ensure success, there are 5 traits that all successful entrepreneurs share. 1. Curiosity. A common trait that is shared by many successful entrepreneurs is inquisitiveness. Entrepreneurs are able to strengthen their ability to see things from a fresh perspective by keeping their minds active and investigating how the world works. Look at the lives and accomplishments of other successful entrepreneurs, noting what made them great. Consider what you would do differently, and look for new ways to do things. 2. Commitment. Your passion may be what leads you to start your business, but commitment will keep you going and allow you to overcome challenges. An essential part of any entrepreneur's mindset is that ability to withstand repeated rejection and disappointments. They can see the lessons in their failures and disappointments. 3. Optimism. Successful entrepreneurs can maintain a buoyant attitude despite the challenges they face. When a problem occurs, they see it as a learning opportunity and use those lessons to develop and refine their ideas. They are always optimistic and know that there is a solution for every complication. 4. Flexibility. Entrepreneurship is a challenging endeavor that is full of unexpected demands and problems. Those who have an entrepreneurial mindset can remain flexible in their thinking, roll with the punches, solve issues readily, and quickly recover from setbacks. To become more flexible, you can create a structured, critical approach to problem solving. 5. Self-respect. You have to be willing to care for your mind and body as much as for your business. Always take care of yourself as a pillar of your daily practice. Get adequate sleep and time to renew, exercise, and nourish your body with healthy choices. Be willing to tend to your spirit and body if you want to be successful in your life. Entrepreneurs see the world differently. Anyone who is willing to learn can join the ranks of the world's greatest dreamers, but you have to be willing to change your mindset.